Hi everyone, I'm Teresa the teacher. Welcome to my video, What did you do at the weekend? This video is in British English. Please listen and repeat. What did you do at the weekend? 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 The weekend. Today. The past. The past. I relaxed. I relaxed. I relaxed. I went cycling. I went cycling. I went cycling. I did homework. I did homework. I did homework. I cooked. I cooked. I cooked. I visited my parents. I visited my parents. I visited my parents. I spent time with my children. I spent time with my children. I spent time with my children. I played computer games. I played computer games. I played computer games. I did DIY. I did DIY. I did DIY. I read a book. I read a book. I read a book. I worked in the garden. I worked in the garden. I worked in the garden. I went swimming. I went swimming. I went swimming. I knitted. I knitted. I knitted. I knitted a scarf. I knitted a scarf. I knitted a sweater. I knitted a sweater. I went shopping. I went shopping. I went shopping. I went to work. I went to work. I went to work. I worked. I worked. I worked. I watched TV. I watched TV. No, watched. No, watched. Watched. I watched TV. I watched a film. I watched a film. I watched a TV series. I watched a TV series. I watched Netflix. I watched Netflix. I spent time with my cat. I spent time with my cat. I spent time with my cat. I trained my dog. I trained my dog. I trained my dog. I played with my dog. I played with my dog. I played with my dog. I did housework. I did housework. I did housework. I did the laundry. I did the laundry. I did the laundry. I ate cake. I ate cake. I ate cake. Now, tell me in the comments, what did you do at the weekend? If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's about it. See you next time.